Hello everyone, and I welcome all of you to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. This is Pratik Suraswar, your founder of Online Study for You, and there is a breaking news which is coming here from Infosys. Infosys has finally started sending email to the student, those who had interview on 6th of October. So basically this is interview result, but let us talk in detail one by one. The email is coming from offerdocuments@infosys.com and you need to send your mark sheet. Okay, so offer here you could see the email is coming from the Infosys itself, offer_documents@infosys.com. Now friends, please try to understand one thing, and here I am going to tell you my views. Okay friends, what I feel is this email is received by only selected student. Okay, only selected student. Now you think Infosys is telling you, greetings from Infosys Limited, we request you to send us a scanned copy of below your mark sheet to offerdocument@infosys.com on or before 9th. So undergraduate semester wise mark sheet, consolidated mark sheet, we would not be able to take your candidature if we do not receive these documents before the above mentioned date. All these scanned copies to be in the PDF, GIF or TIFF formats only. Ensure that the total size does not exceed 8 MB, including attachment, else send rest of the documents in another email. Now, so this student had exam on 4th and 5th of October, okay, and they had interview on 6th of October 2025. Now most of them are receiving, you could see the date also, 7th of 7:25 PM. Friends, now after you submit the document, definitely what Infosys will not do is they will download your all the documents and they will put bhuja, you know, right, or whatever, and they will start eating, because this side your mark sheet will be there and back side blank will be there. So they will start writing love letter, hello Kavita, okay, hello Savita. They will not do that, right? So definitely if they're asking you to send the document, that means you are selected. Okay, so but anyway friends, this is my view as I said. And also see, you do not have to celebrate these things. Okay, till then Infosys is not giving you joining date. You do not have to celebrate this success. This success you have to hide it till your joining date. All right, see, you have seen in the past, but this time they have the requirement and they have clearly said that they're going to hire 20,000 employee. So there might be a chance that this onboarding, this joining will be happening early. But still friends, I'm telling you, see, do not be very happy and start distributing sweets on all. And if you don't get joining date early or onboarding, then your relatives and all will come and then they will give you sweets. Don't worry about it. After few years you will get the onboarding. After few years you will get the joining. So friends, that is the thing. So please don't celebrate right now. It's okay if you have got, wait for the joining date, wait for the next offer letter. All those things they will communicate with you. But according to me, so this selected candidates only will be getting. And here also you can see, so many of the students, those who had given the interview, they have got. So from offer documents, offer_documents@infosys.com, right? So this is actual mail from Infosys. October 8, 2025, 7:09 PM. Dear candidates, greeting from Infosys Limited. We request you to send us a scanned copy of your below your mark sheet to this on or before 9th of October. We are not going to eat bhuja into eat. We are not going to eat bhuja into eat. Okay, so I hope you understood this. And once again friends, I wanted to tell you, this is my views, so you have to wait for the official communication. But yes, this where you have to submit the documents. And also see, they are clearly telling what offer. Okay, so offer, that means there will be a offer after you submit the documents. Okay, now friends, see, each and every update whatever we will get, I will directly make a video only. So please do subscribe to the channel, and also please do like and comment. See friends, we really put a lot of effort. I came from the office, I saw many of the students were asking this particular news, sir, Infosys is sending this, Infosys is sending that. I immediately, see, my bag is here itself. and I came directly here, made the video for you. So a lot of effort goes, and your one comment and one like definitely motivate us to make more and more video and to help in whatever way it is possible. Thank you, take care, and thanks for so much of love. I cannot, or I should not say that there is no support I have received from you all. So there is tremendous support, and I want that love till my last breath. Thank you, take care, all the very, very best. We'll meet soon in the next video. Take care, man.